Hey there, Tall Man Clan. We're at the Florida RV Super Show, and the video you're about to watch came from a longer stream. In fact, not only is it from a longer stream, but it's got one of the manufacturer reps in there with us. And so it's going to be a little bit different than our normal long form content, so we hope you enjoy.
So,
check it out for you.
Right here, we got our Avenue all access bunkhouse.
Okay.
Beautiful floor plan's been showing extremely well.
We love bunkhouses. So here's just sort of a profile, right? Mid profile, right? This is where you go right there. All right. It's a 3111, not 3311. And this is the 28 BH.
So okay. Under 10,000 pounds, 12 GVWR 12.5. Got a nice awning.
That one's locked, so we can't get in. Okay.
Goodyear tires, CRE 3000 suspension enhancement. Beautiful floor plan on the inside.
All right, so in the back, since the bunk is open, we'll show you. What's neat about the bunk is, as you see the bottom one flips up, there's a door. And so if you want to carry bikes or things like that, this is complete wide open storage when you're moving. I mean, if you don't want to use the bunk, obviously you could take it out or leave it up and then have this bunk up here at the top. But at least when you're driving down the street, again, if you have bikes and stuff like that, you can flip that up and make use of that space in the back. There is a ladder here. It's built in, right? So what's nice is it's not hanging out here. It's right here. And so you'd use this in the combination of the bunk to get up to the top. There's also a cabinet up here, so there's some storage for people who use that. So you do have a little sofa right here. I'm assuming this folds out. Yeah,
yep.
We'll try fold. All right, so this can be a sleeper as well. You're about to say something?
Oh, I was just wide body construction. Wanted you to notice the 80-inch tall slides.
Well, I got my glasses on. If my glasses weren't on,
there you go.
If I had hair, I'd have a problem. But since I'm follically challenged, not vertically challenged, I'm good to go. Okay. Yeah, little dynamic. I like the ottoman too because, again, let's say you have a couple extra kids with you or friends or whatever. The ottoman can move around. It can be part of the living room. It can be part of the dining room. It's a nice versatile piece. Really nice.
Love that.
Yep. And then the TV for viewing is right there. All right, which is sort of part of the kitchen, sound bar there. I like sometimes when it is part of the kitchen because it gives you extra countertop space which flows into the kitchen. And so, you know, if you're gourmet cooking and need more prep space, you have that here. Remember solid surface, right? Got your 3-burner cooktop.
Which is pretty unique in this price point, by the way.
The solid surface.
Yes.
Yeah. Nice residential microwave. Big, tall cabinets, guys. Big, tall cabinets. All right. And there is a little flip up. So if you need even more, there's a flip up. Okay. And right next to Jeremiah, we've got the pantry. See, this is where she'd shove me. She'd pull out the shelves and just stick me there. And stand up in the corner.
You don't even get a bed.
Yeah, just stand up in the corner. She's ruthless. There you go. And then, of course, you've got your 12-volt Furrion. Solar, I didn't talk about it. Is there solar on any of the units that we look on full-time, or is it an optional package?
Yeah, so all the Valors and all the Paradigms now come with at least a 320-watt solar panel and a 20-amp charge controller. On Avenue, it is an additional option.
Okay, excellent. So just Avenue is the only one that you guys sell that's an option.
Right.
Excellent.
And it's there if you want it. If you don't have to pay for it.
All right, so flush floor bedroom. Okay, flush floor bedroom, meaning there's no step-up when you get in here. But before that, let me just show you the bathroom. As you can see from the toilet placement, all you tall people out there that are watching us, part of the Tall Man Clan, you got no problems there. As far as the shower goes, again, same thing. If you see where my head is, there's no issues because the shower is at the same height. Okay, nice vanity right here. Right, under countermount sink. Right, if you guys have been following and looking at Alliance over the past few years, the quality is really there. It's why they've expanded and been doing so well in their very, very short time. Okay? It's also, I feel we can sort of go through these rather quickly. When we do our normal reviews, when we're not doing live streams, we spend a little bit more time, but they're busy, and for Jeremiah to give us half an hour of his time is huge because they're so busy, okay? They really are. In fact, we had to wait just, 15 minutes to say hello to schedule a time with a man, okay? So cabinet here, it's sort of like most bedrooms in RVs. You got 4 or 5 cabinets up top. You got some nightstands, if you will, down on beneath. There's some power there, which is great. I'm assuming there's storage underneath here as well. Big storage, yeah.
Plenty of storage.
Yep. And then over there where he's standing, there's a little bit of a
Hanging closet,
yep.
drawers.
So you get some hanging space there and some more drawers down here. So there's the Avenue. So this is more of your price point fifth wheel, right?
Yep.
Not too heavy, right? Not too light. It's perfectly weighted, right? There's a little bunkhouse there, right? So if you're looking for something that's inexpensive, when it comes to Alliance, you don't have to lose all the niceties.
No.
Solid surface countertops in here.
Love it.
Nice wood cabinets, right? Residential appliances, right? So you should check them out if you haven't checked them out before.